Look at my homework question. Y is equal to 3x minus k passes through the midpoint m, comma 0 of the x-intercept of y is equal to x squared minus x minus 12. Try not to find the x-intercept of y is equal to x squared minus x minus 12. Calculate the area under y is equal to 3x minus k from x is equal to m to x is equal to 5. And this question seems like very difficult. But if you think it's difficult, let me just graph it. Try to graph it. So x squared minus x minus 12. We cannot find the roots. So let me just name it as alpha and beta. The roots of this. Alpha is here and the beta. Consider beta is greater than alpha. That is the greater roots. And here look at the coefficients. Coefficients of x squared minus x minus 12. Right? And the coefficients of x squared is 1. Is positive. So the parabola look like this. And here beta. Then here is the midpoint m and then 0, right? m0 and then 3x minus k. And 3x, look at this, 3x. 3 is the slope. Y is equal to mx plus c, right? And this m is just the slope. And 3 is a positive number, so the graph might look this. The slope is positive, it's look like this. Y is equal to 3x minus k. And here we cannot find the x-intercept of y is equal to x squared minus x minus 12, like this. And here calculate the area under y is equal to 3x minus k from x is equal to m to x is equal to 5. And here midpoint. And how we find the midpoint though? From x is equal to m to x is equal to 5. Look at the midpoint. The midpoint is just the x-axis of this equation, right? This parabola is y is equal to x squared minus x minus 12, like this. The midpoints of the x-axis intercepts, right? The midpoint. So over the midpoint, so m is just equal to alpha plus beta, right? Alpha plus beta divided by 2 is the midpoint, very midpoint. And alpha plus beta, do we know it? Alpha plus beta, and it's sum of roots. Sum of roots is equal to alpha plus beta, right? Alpha plus beta, look at this equation. We know that alpha plus beta is equal to negative b over a. So negative 1 divided by our coefficients. It's just 1 divided by 2 over, you just get 1/2. So the midpoint, we can call it, this is 1/2. So over, you just get this one, it passed through 1/2. 1/2 comma 0, like that. 1/2 comma 0. And the next thing we're gonna figure out, because we're gonna find the integral, and we already know what's the value of m, so we already know the lower limit is equal to 1/2, and then x is equal to 5 is given the upper limit, right? And then the next thing we're gonna find the equation of this. If we find the equation of this, so we can just do our integral. So let me just erase this. To find what's the value of k, what can we do? Here, 1/2. Look at this line, and this is a line, right? When x is equal to 1/2 and y is equal to 0, because it's the x-intercept. So x-intercept of y is equal to 3x minus k is equal to 1/2. So what's x-intercept? Yes, y need to be 0. So when y is equal to 0, then you get 0 is equal to 3 times, and then our x is just given is 1/2. We already know the x-intercept is 1/2 and the minus k like that. And then so our k is just equal to 3/2 like that. Can you see? And then 3/2. So here's the deal. 3/2. Wow, so the original equation becomes 3 y is equal to 3x minus 3/2. Let me just multiply by 2 on both sides. It becomes 2y is equal to 6x minus 3. So let me write it. Beautiful. The equation is equal to 6x minus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0. Like that. So overall, but we don't need to do that because we're gonna find the area under the curve, right? So let me just use y as our subject. So the graph look like this. The graph of, and this is, let me draw the, what the y-axis, and this is when x is equal to 1/2, and then this equation becomes 0, right? 3x minus 3/2. Area is just equal to, from m is just 1/2 to 5, and then 3x minus 3/2 like that. Dx. So overall, calculate. First you get 3/2 x squared, and then get a constant 3/2x plus 1/2 and then 5. It becomes 3/2 times 5 squared minus 3/2 times 5, and then minus 3/2 times 1/2 square, minus being positive, so minus being positive, plus 3/2 times 1/2. Oh, this is kind of crazy. Do some check. So overall you get, and if you use the calculator, and here you'll get 243/8. That is about 30.4. This is really cool. So this area is about 40.4, and this is really cool. Yes. Also find the area under this curve by using a geometric way, right? Since we know this is a triangle, right? A right triangle. So here, this length is just 5 minus 1/2. This is 9/2. This length is 9/2. And here, what is 5? And then when x is 5, put it inside, you get 15 minus 3/2. And then 30 minus 3, it becomes 27/2. So when x is equal to 5, this y value is gonna be 27/2. So the area of this triangle is equal to 27/2 times 9/2 over 2. Because it's a triangle, you need to divide by 2. And then okay, 2 times 2 is 4, and then over 2 become 8 here. And then here, 27 times 9. Do we have anything to factor, to simplify? No. No, I think we don't have any to simplify because we already know the answer is 243/8. So the denominator is 8, so never mind. So this is just 243/8, and that's it. This is really